Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
We were enjoying. So the people, our friends,
were enjoying and getting slaps also. Both things. You see? When the children enjoy, sometimes the father slaps also. Why?
Disobedience. They do something that is harmful to themselves or to others.
So you can enjoy life, material life, as the father directs. So that is devotion also. Then he'll enjoy. Otherwise he'll get slapped.
So-called enjoyment.
Yeah. If you manufacture your program of enjoyment, then you'll be slapped. And if you enjoy according to the direction of the father, then you'll enjoy. Isn't it? Krishna says, enjoy life, all life. Manmana bhava madbhakto madhyam. Live peacefully, always think of me, worship me. That we are prescribing. Come here and think of Krishna. And so that is enjoyment. But they don't want. They want liquor, they want illicit sex, they want meat. So therefore they must be slapped. Actually, all this whole universe is made for your enjoyment. But enjoy it according to his direction, then you'll enjoy. That is the difference between demigod and demon. The demon wants to enjoy manufacturing his own way of life. And the demigod, they enjoy better than the demons because under the direction of God.
Why does Krishna provide the living entities with these sinful pleasures? Why does Krishna provide the living entities with the sinful pleasures?
Simple pleasure?
Sinful pleasures, such as becoming
Krishna
intoxicated.
does not provide. You create. You are sinful. Krishna never says that you eat meat, but you open slaughterhouse, so you suffer.
But there is a pleasure, a certain pleasure derived from these sinful activities.
What is that pleasure?
Oh, some people they get pleasure from intoxication. They get pleasure from
therefore they suffer after effect. That is ignorance. That immediately you get some sense pleasure, but the result is very bad. And that is sinful.
you wrote in the 4th canto that if we have too much sense pleasure when we are young, then we have a corresponding disease when we are older.
Yeah. Yeah, material life means as soon as you violate the rules and regulations, you suffer. Therefore, Varnashram Dharma is the beginning of perfection in material life. The beginning. Chaturvarnam Maya system. God has created this. If we adopt this institution of Varnashram Dharma, then your perfection of life begins. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,